Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to do an explode view. So for example, you can go to assembly and insert your file. Okay, I will insert this file into assembly. The next, I will use line tools to connect from these center points into here. Now to create explode view, you can click add in here. The next, click explode. You can select the object and then click this icon. You can select the object again. So to be create the explode view, you also can change for spacing in here. I will decrease for spacing. And if you don't, you can click OK. So it will create the explode view in configuration 1. Okay, to default, you can click here, default, and this is for the configuration 1. Now to move into sheet, you can click file, go new, and then click drawing sheet. Okay, I will delete this default view. You can select delete, and then click general. You can insert into your sheet. Now to change into explode view, go again into assembly. And then you can change default into configuration 1. So to be create the explode view. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to do an explode view. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.